Okay, so I'm in Anong, just outside of Krabi, and I'm checking into the Krabi Heritage Hotel. I'm here for 9 nights. Got a pool, gym, small gym. I have a restaurant. The pool's just down there. Restaurant. It's a good hotel, but staff aren't very accommodating. Very small fitness centre. This place has a good looking pool. I'm not going to go in there, there's too many people. That's the pool. Okay, I'm in 322, checking in. Right, let's see if I can find the correct way. 322, this way. In the last room. Second last room. There you go. 322. Alright, here's the room. Let's have a look around. Okay, you need here for into work. First things first, bathroom. Bathtub. It's got a shower. It's got a bum gun, hair dryer, all the amenities you need. Good size, good bathroom. Go out into the main area. Right, that's what it looks like. Big TV, coffee, tea, water. Trim the fridges in here, little baby fridge, little bar fridge. Wi-Fi, room number and 3222. Password. Bed. Medium, good. Closet, room safe, umbrella. Lounge. Alright, balcony. But look at that view. The ocean just over there. Someone else's swimming pool. Nothing down, however. Amazing boat. Let me know what you think. Booking.com, or I pay straight at the hotel. 10 nights for 14,000 baht. You can work out the exchange rate, Australian dollars. Righto, thank you very much. I'll show you around the rest of the hotel. Let's go check out the local area. It's right on the main street, really close to everything. The only problem is that there's bars and clubs either side, and they're loud into what, 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. So if you've got a front facing room, you're going to be up to 2 o'clock in the morning with a loud noise. Alright, just the heritage, going outside. You've got the alleyway here to get into the place. You've got barbers, massage parlours, tattoo, rent a motorbike. You can also get your laundry done, which is really good. 50 baht, 80 baht, whatever it is. Or you can have it done in 6 hours for extra 20 baht. So this is Anang Road, the main drag. The beach is about 250 metres that way. That's where the hotel is down here. Got everything you need, walking distance, but it's loud. We've got these bars and clubs right here. Extremely loud at night. It's about 2 o'clock in the morning. Try and find somewhere further away. Very loud. Anyway, living loud. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Another short review. This is a pretty good hotel. I recommend staying here. However, get a room that's on the back side of the hotel facing the mountain. Anyway, enjoy, and I'll catch you next time.